on, guys? It's your boy Restless Rider here again. Got another unboxing video for you. Coming from Moon's Motorcycle Culture, the rear taillight with integrated blinkers. A lot of people have had a lot of questions about these, just to the quality of the build, if everything holds up over time, and just to the brightness. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look and see what's inside. Straight off, as soon as you see it, headlight sitting right on top. I went with the clear low cut with, like I said, the integrated taillights with the integrated turn signals in it. It looks literally just plug and play yet again. You got the main brake light, and then you have the left blinker and then the right blinker. So that literally just plugs right into your circuit board. Overall, just looking at it, looks very, very nice quality, nice plastic. The one thing that I have heard about these is they do not come with a gasket around it, which does worry me a little bit. But I will let you know over time, probably a week, 2 weeks, maybe a month, just to how everything's holding up, if water's getting in, how watertight it is, and be watching for a installation video to come up, but just in case somebody doesn't know. So also, what's ever in the box as well is a card to the main people, if you want to give them a holler. So yeah, go ahead and if you like this video, subscribe. Hit that like button or dislike button. Let me know exactly what you did or did not like, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you liked and what you didn't like. But expect a couple follow-up videos on these products that I'm reviewing within a week to 2 weeks, so that I can actually get the bike back from the shop. Appreciate it, guys.